Okay, so this is what I am going to be picking up. Tide 64 load, 42 pod gain, and 16 count Tide pods. Now, if all works out, it should only be like maybe around $4. Let's go see what happens. Okay, this video is gonna work here. I went to CVS. Let me see what I got. I got the Tide Spring Meadow. Normally, it doesn't want to focus again. Yeah, you're gonna have to bear with me a minute. Tide. Normally $18.49. I got it for $1.63. Gain Fling 42 count. This one was 64 loads. Gain Fling 42 count. Normally $16.79. $1.65. And the 16 count pod. Now, I had $10 from last month when I bought stuff, and I got my $10 that I pay every month for. So, let's see, it took off $3, then $1. Then this is the $10 I got from last month for buying stuff. Here's my Extra Care Plus $10. 3 items, $4.02 plus tax. And I saved $38.75 and 91% savings. But here's the best. I got back $8 for my next shopping trip. This is how you have to do it. So this week it was if you spent $25, you got $8 back. And that's okay. There's some other stuff I'm probably going to go get. Like some body wash or something. Good deals. So yeah, I mean, like I tell you, that Extra Care Plus, that $10 bonus, you pay $5 a month. They give you the $5 back plus an extra $5. So you're paying $5, but they give you 10. I don't know. Good deals.